Sarwar Hussain. My topic is Prevention and Control Program of TB. Over 7.5 million children affect every year, 0 to 14 years of age. Percentage of TB patients that are missed in different age groups are less than 5 years, 31% will be reported and 69% are missing every year. TB reporting gap is biggest among younger children. 5 to 14 years, 60% are reporting and 40% are missing. All other ages combined, 65% are reported, 35% are missing. Overall, 55% is estimated children with TB 0 to 14 years are not reported to National TB Program. TB can be cause or comorbidity of common child illness, especially pneumonia and malnutrition. Screening for TB. When to screen? Contact with TB patient, fever, weight loss and coughing, and tired and not playful. Strategies to prevent TB. Following are the mainstay of strategies to prevent TB. Early detection and treatment of infectious cases, airborne infection control practices, contact screening, and as soon as that, prevent therapy, BCG vaccination. Early detection and prevention of TB in children. Risk factors in children acquiring TB. Children living in the same household as a lung TB patient, children living with HIV, children with malnutrition, children living in a poor condition and in badly ventilated houses. If your child has one of the following signs or symptoms of TB, prolonged cough or difficulty breathing with not improvement or coming back quickly when treated with antibodies, weight loss or failure to gain weight, persistent fever, night sweats, airborne infection control practices, outpatient settings, inpatient settings. Outpatient settings, screen for respiratory symptoms as early as possible upon patient's arrival at the healthcare facility. Provide patient education on cough hygiene and sputum disposal. Segregate patients with respiratory symptoms. Fast track patients with respiratory symptoms. Inpatient settings, minimize hospitalization of TB patient. Establish separate rooms, wards or areas within wards of patients with infectious respiratory distress. Educate inpatients on cough hygiene and provide adequate sputum disposal. Establish safe radiology procedures for patients with infectious respiratory disease, including smear positive TB cases or TB suspects. BCG vaccine at birth or till 1 year of age. In children who are known to be HIV infected, BCG vaccine should not be given. In infants those who are born to HIV positive mothers and who lack symptoms suggestive of HIV, BCG vaccine should be given. Disease prevented, childhood tuberculosis, dose 0.05 ml at birth, BCG 0.1 ml after 1 month of life. Contact screening and isoniazid preventive therapy. Clinical evaluation of household and close contact for active TB should be done on basics of risk factors. Priority should be given to contact who are children with symptoms suggestive of TB, children less than 5 years of age, children with known immunocompromised conditions, child contact of index cases with multi-drug resistant TB. Isoniazid preventive therapy. Various studies have demonstrated the efficacy of isoniazid preventive therapy to prevent TB diseases in children who live with active TB patients. Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program recommends that all households contact of TB patient aged less than 6 years be investigated for TB, and those without TB be provided isoniazid preventive therapy for 6 months. However, there is no strategy for IPT in children beyond 6 years. Revised National TB Control Program. India has had a national tuberculosis program in operation since 1962. A revision of the revised National TB Control Program training modules will be undertaken, include pediatric TB issues on 26 March 1996. It is an application to India of WHO recommended strategy of directly absorbed treatment short course DOTS. RLTCP implemented in the country in phase-based manner. NICSHI. Reporting systems used for monitoring TB control is NICSHI, a case-based web-based surveillance tool developed indigenously for nation. Directory services are incorporated in Nikshay for ease of communication and patient linkage. Nikshay Poshan Yojana, launched from 1st April 2008. Under this scheme, nutrition support through deficit benefit transfer of 500 rupees per month for all patients on treatment throughout duration of treatment. Tribal area incentive 750 per patient for transport in tribal areas. Incentive for treatment support, a new TB case receives 1000 INR at completion of treatment. Drug resistant case receives 2000 rupees at completion of intensive phase. ASHA's tuberculosis control program. ASHA spread awareness of TB causes and symptoms and of extrapulmonary TB which affects young children. Screening of TB patients, home visit screening, chest X-ray, Montax test. Referral. Refers suspected patients to government TB hospitals. Accompanying patients with serious complications for admission. Follow-up home visits and weekly consultations at the ASHA clinic. Thank you.